Hey guys, today we are going to demonstrate ocean simulation with dolphin and a boat using Blender. First, let us see the final outcome. So this is how it looks at the end of the project. As you can see, there are mainly 5 components in this project. First, to create the model of dolphin, then add the path to it. After that, add ocean modifier, set the background of the model, at the end, add a boat. In this video, we are going to show all the phases of our project. At first, in order to model the dolphin, we need the template of dolphin in front and top view, that is X and Z axis and X and Y axis. Then press Shift A and select a circle and rotate it to 90 degree and scale it to adjust it to the body of the dolphin. Press Tab and E to extrude it. Extrude it along the x-axis. You can scale it to adjust and hence give a perfect shape to the body of the dolphin. Once you are done with that, you will have somewhat like this. So this is the body. Now in order to add the wings for this, just press C and select the vertices and press E to extrude it. Extrude it along the x-axis. You can press G to position as you need it. Repeat the same for both the wings and also for the tail. So at the end, you will have the model somewhat like this. So now we have the dolphin ready. We need to add path for this. For that, go to Add Modifier, select Curve and press Shift A and select Circle. So this is known as Bayesian circle. Now select your model and in the object you select the Bayesian circle. So you can see your model is being assigned to the path. You can give the shape of the path in the edit mode. Just select the edge and press G and you can move it as you want it. So once you play this, you can see that your model, that is dolphin, is moving across the path that you had assigned. Once you are ready with the model and the path, you need to add ocean. For that, go to Add Modifier, select the ocean. Extend the ocean for 3 times towards X and Y axis. Set the resolution as 15, choppiness to 0.3, scale to 2.0 and set the time for 10 seconds from 0 frame to 250 frame. Now you can see the ocean like this. Press 1 to view it in the top view. As you can see the curve with respect to object. So once you play this, you can see whether the dolphin is moving across the ocean or not. In the perspective angle, you can see it properly. Now just set the background as sky. Just download an image of sky and set it as background. So you have the background and the ocean and also a dolphin. In order to have the boat, just select a cube and extrude it along the x-axis by giving the shape of boat. For this pole, you just have to select a circle and extrude it along the y-axis as we did for the dolphin. So your whole project is ready. Now position the camera with respect to the viewport and position the lamp according to it. Now render the object with this option render animation. As I had already rendered it, I can play the rendered animation. So this is the final outcome. That's it guys. This is all about combining all the small components together. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.